Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Taz. Today I'm going to show you how to make yummy, fulfilling breakfast omelette. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. This combo of eggs, veggies and cheese lives up to the expectations. In fact, this is how they serve omelettes at breakfast places in the West. Please like, comment and share my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications. Thank you. Now let's get to the recipe. Here's all our ingredients at a glance. I'll show you separately one at a time. To begin with, we need 3 eggs. You could also use 2 if you like. Now whisk them very well and set aside. We need about 10 to 12 spinach leaves. 1 medium-sized mushroom cut into half and then sliced into pieces. About 2 tablespoons of chopped bell pepper, also known as capsicum. I'm using the red kind to add some color. You could also use green, yellow, or the orange kind. About 1.5 tablespoons of chopped chives. Half a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Cooking oil or butter as needed. I've heated up an 8-inch pan on medium flame. Now I'm going to drizzle about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You could also use butter instead. Once the oil has heated up, add the mushrooms followed by the bell pepper. Make sure that the oil is hot enough while you're adding them and not too hot. If the oil is too hot, it's going to burn the ingredients the moment you add them. Stir and saute for about a minute. Observe that I'm not adding all the ingredients all at once. Now add the chopped chives. Stir, mix and saute for further 2 to 3 minutes. We've left the spinach behind for later because spinach cooks very quickly. The flame is still on medium. When the ingredients on the pan are about half cooked, add the spinach leaves. For non-vegetable lovers, kids or elders, this is a very good way to eat veggies. Anything tastes good in an omelette. Now stir in and mix everything very well. As you cook, you'll notice that the spinach leaves have shrunk in size drastically. When that happens, it means that the spinach leaves have been cooked. At that point, stir and spread the veggies as evenly as you can throughout the pan. And add the whisked eggs. Use a circular motion to add the eggs like how I'm doing. Now let the omelette cook. You'll notice that as the omelette cooks, the cooked parts become pale in color. When the bottom has more than half cooked, let the excess eggs from the top reach the bottom like how I'm doing. If you don't do this and try to flip the egg, then the egg is going to split. So it's very important. Now continue to cook until it's ready to be flipped. Check every now and then. If you use butter instead of oil, then the omelette will have a slightly brown crust. When the bottom of the omelette is completely done, it's ready to be flipped. Flip very, very carefully. You don't want it to split. Now let the remainder of the other side cook. The other side will take much less time to cook. Check in between if it's done. Once done, sprinkle the shredded cheese on half of the omelette. Add cheese according to your desire. I've added half a cup. Now fold and press. The heat from the omelette should melt the cheese. Turn the stove off and it's ready to serve. You could serve it with a side of hash browns. If you like my recipes, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Please like, comment and share my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.